Welcome to our guide on how to navigate advanced phone settings in 2025. Today, we'll unlock features that will enhance your smartphone experience. First, let's discuss system updates. These updates not only enhance performance, but also bring vital security fixes. Next, we'll optimize battery life. By exploring advanced settings, you can prolong your phone's lifespan throughout the day. Privacy is crucial. Let's customize your settings to ensure your data remains secure. Managing app permissions can significantly impact your phone's performance. Let's set these up correctly. For the advanced user, developer options offer unique features that can enhance your experience. Let's take a look. Accessibility features ensure that everyone can use their smartphones comfortably. Here's how to enable them. Configuring network settings can improve connectivity and speed. Let's dive into these settings. Lastly, explore how to adjust advanced display settings for a tailored visual experience. Congratulations! You're now equipped to take full control of your phone's capabilities. Enjoy your enhanced smartphone experience in 2025.